In today's video, we're going to explore the powerful world of Elementor widgets and how you can use them to design stunning web pages with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web designer, this tutorial will help you harness the full potential of Elementor. First, let's open Elementor. Navigate to the page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. You'll see the Elementor panel on the left, filled with a variety of widgets. Elementor offers a range of widgets including Basic, Pro, and General widgets. Let's start with some basic widgets. These include the heading, text editor, image, and button widgets. The heading widget allows you to add titles to your sections. Simply drag and drop the heading widget and you can customize the text, size, alignment, and color. The text editor widget is great for adding paragraphs. You can format the text, add links, and even insert media. The image widget lets you add images to your page. Upload an image, adjust its size, and add a caption if needed. The button widget is essential for call-to-action elements. Customize the text, style, and link to guide your visitors. Creating a section with multiple widgets. Let's create a section using multiple widgets to demonstrate how they work together. We'll build a hero section with a heading, text, image, and button. First, add a section onto the page. Add a heading widget for the title, a text editor widget for a brief description, an image widget for a background image, and a button widget for the call to action. Customize each widget to create a cohesive and engaging hero section. Adding and using videos in Elementor. Videos can significantly boost user engagement and make your website more dynamic. Let's see how we can seamlessly integrate them into your Elementor pages. Let's get started. First, let's open Elementor. Navigate to the page where you want to add a video and click Edit with Elementor. On the left panel, search for the video widget. Drag the video widget to your desired section on the page. You'll see a placeholder video appear. In the video widget settings, you can choose the source of your video. You can add a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or even self-hosted videos by uploading them to your WordPress media library. Let's add a YouTube video. Paste the video URL into the link field and the video will appear in the widget. You can also customize the start and end times if you want to play only a specific portion of the video. Next, let's customize the video settings to match your website's design. In the Settings panel, you can adjust the Image Overlay option to add a custom thumbnail over your video. Toggle on the Image Overlay switch and upload your desired image. You can also control the video settings, such as autoplay, mute, loop, and player controls. For example, enabling autoplay will start the video as soon as the visitor lands on the page. Adjust the aspect ratio to fit your design. Common options are 16:9 for standard widescreen and 4:3 for a more square-like display. Designing a video section. Let's design a complete section around the video to make it more engaging. We'll add a heading, text, and a button along with the video. This will make your website look more professional and will increase engagement. First, create a new 2-column container. Drag and drop a heading widget in the left column and customize the text. Next, add a text editor widget below the heading to provide a brief description of the video with a button below the paragraph. Finally, add the video using the video widget to the right column. Style the entire section by adjusting the background color, padding, and margins to ensure everything looks cohesive and visually appealing. Now, let's explore some creative ways to use videos on your website. You can use videos as background elements for sections. To do this, select a section, add a heading text to the section, go to the Style tab and choose Video in the background type. Paste your video URL, and you'll have a dynamic video background. Adjust the height of the section as required. Another engaging method is to use video pop-ups. Add a button or an image, then link it to open a video lightbox. This keeps the page clean while still providing video content. First, create a new section. Use the video widget to add a new video to your section. Adjust the padding to center the video. Next, choose an image to overlay the video. Finally, enable the lightbox option to create a pop-up of the video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.